हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हम रिवीजन मोड कर रहे हैं आईपी में फर्स्ट चैप्टर का, दैट इज कंप्यूटर फंडामेंटल वी कैन से और कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. Basically very first thing we can define it data is basically raw facts and figures. So whenever data is not uh, complete, we can say, or data is just like any name which is not identification useful thing, that is data. And data is useful for analysis, data is useful for uh, facts and figures. So data play a very important role. Whenever data is collected, it will convert it into information, and the meaning of information is uh, it is a useful data, it's called information. So useful data is called information. Next is operating system. Operating system is an interface between user and hardware. Example of operating system is just like uh, Windows, Unix, Linux. These are the operating system example. Next is hardware. Physical component of a computer is called hardware. Hardware include any physical component like input device, output device, system device, memory device. A number of things are called hardware devices. Next is buses. Buses basically it is a collection of defined set of wires, cables to carry binary information to or from. So buses is a collection of cables or wires or lines which perform binary information. Next, CPU interact closely with primary storage or main memory. The meaning of what is the very first thing? What is memory? Memory is a storage device. It will store the data temporarily or permanently. If we are talking of temporary storage, that means RAM and ROM is a temporary storage data, and permanent is hard disk, floppy disk, magnetic tape. These are the example of data which store permanently. Next is central processing unit is the brain of any computer. Yes, it is the system which you can maintain brain of any computer. So next is control unit, arithmetic and logical unit. Actually, the meaning of arithmetic and logical unit is it will perform plus, minus, multiply, divide, arithmetic operation. Next, the memory of computer can hold program, instruction, data, values. This is a summarized form we are discussing. The main memory of computer is also known as RAM. RAM stands for random access memory. External memory, which is sometimes called backing store or secondary memory, or secondary memory also called permanent memory or permanent storage. Registers are a small data holding area within the CPU that hold data, instruction, and memory. Main memory can be either ROM or RAM. Basically, the primary memory is called main memory, and main memory. Software is a set of instructions written to achieve the desired task. Exactly, software is a collection of programs, and we can maintain two types of software: system software and application software. So, system software are those software which requires system related activities, like operating system is the example of system software. And applications of software always run on system software. That is the most important thing. Now next is hardware. Exactly, hardware is a physical component. You know very well. Hardware is a physical component, and that is required for executing any software. That means hardware is there. After that, software we can install it. Operating system is an interface between user and hardware. You know very well this thing. Uh, the example of operating system are um, uh, Windows, Unix, Linux. These are the operating system which can maintain it, the activities. Now next we discuss about fill in the blanks. So a program which acts an interface between user and hardware, again it is called operating system. So this is called operating system. This is the most important thing. Next, a collection of 4-bit is called. A collection of 4-bit is called nibble. A collection of 8-bit is called byte. This thing you remember it. Binary number system has digit 0 and 1. Binary number system has digit 0 and 1. Next, collection of 8-bit is called, again I told you byte. Collection of 8-bit is called byte. Now next is E is a pointing device. Exactly, mouse is a pointing device which use graphical user interface. Next, fill in the blanks. Is a read-only memory that stores some pre-written instruction. Actually, ROM is a read-only memory which stores pre-written instruction. So ROM is a read-only memory. Next is the in computer are capable of performing arithmetic and logical unit. Actually, this is a ALU, arithmetic and logical unit performs uh, plus and minus activities. Next is control all the hardware operation of the computer system. Controls all the hardware operations of a computer system. So control unit exactly play a very important role which controls all the hardware activities. Next type, hard disk is a non-volatile high capacity storage ranging from 1 GB to terabyte. Actually hard disk now it is coming in terabytes. So the fill in the blanks is hard disk. Next, memory speed up to access the data and instruction stored in RAM. So cache memory speed up access data and instruction stored in them. Next come K. Compiler enter comes language processor. Compiler enter comes language processor. Next, MS Office is an application software. So this is the application. Next is an integrated set of specialized programs that is used to manage the overall operation of a computer. Software is an integrated set of specialized programs that is used to manage the overall operation of the computer. Software is the thing. So data processing is a means of transmission raw data into information. Now true and false. So we are revising it. Control unit sends control signal to ALU and memory for carrying out the operation. Required operation. That is true. Actually, control unit generates the signal and it can access it, the activity. Next, a light pen is a pointing device that can be used to select anything on the computer screen by simply pointing it or drawing figure directly on the screen. Again, it is input device. Light pen is input device. So it is true. The RAM operates much faster than cache memory. That is false because cache memory is faster than RAM. Next is 1 GB equals to 1024 KB. That means 1 GB have 1024 megabytes. So that shows kilobyte. So that is false again. E. Operating system is an active interface between user, computer, hardware and software. E. True. Because user and computer, it plays an important role. Next. A computer has the capacity to perform calculation and other logical function, whereas calculator only perform arithmetic and geometrical operation. So again true, because computer perform calculation and logical, or calculation only perform arithmetic and geometric operation. Correct है. A word is the maximum amount of data a CPU can process. G. So again CPU can process at a time. So that is the most important thing. Next. Dot matrix printer uses laser technology to produce printing document. Wrong है ये. H. False. The primary memory unit stores data and instruction permanently. तो primary memory permanent store थोड़ी data करती. Data will not store permanently. Primary memory always store. Primary, that means RAM. So it is false. RAM is volatile memory. Volatile memory is that memory that destroy it. So ROM will not destroy it. RAM will destroy it. And whenever power supply is off, that time RAM will destroy it. Next, external memory allows the permanent storage of a large quantity of data. External memory allows the permanent storage of large quantity of data. Again, the thing is correct because it stores large amount of data. Next, registers are a high-speed temporary storage area found in CPU. Registers again high-speed temporary storage area. True है ना? फिर cache memory is also known as CPU memory. That is wrong. True. Cache memory is also known as CPU memory. We can say because cache memory or cache memory data will process speedy very high. The primary unit stores the data and instruction permanently. प्राइमरी मेमोरी में तो डेटा परमानेंटली स्टोर होता ही नहीं है. नाउ मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ IPU? That is input process output. IPU, the first part, input process output, is the answer. Next, what is the fastest memory device? uh, Fastest memory जो device है, that is we can say RAM and register. So basically register is the actual answer. Reason behind collection of register is a combination of 0 and 1. So it will store data fast. What is the full form of RAM? Random access memory. Second point. ROM is a non-volatile memory because RAM is a volatile memory. So fourth, ROM is a non-volatile memory. Next. Now first is what is an information? Collection of data, collection of program, collection of instruction. So very first point, collection of data is called information. Next. Utilities are text editor, backup, disfragment, all of this. So fourth, all of this. Actually text editor भी हो सकता है, backup again, and defragment. Which of the following are subunits that make up the CPU? तो कंट्रोल यूनिट ALU बोथ वन जी का जो आएगा थर्ड पार्ट, सेकंड बोथ फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड. फिर 1 टेराबाइट इक्वल्स टू, हम जीबी में आएगा तो एच का थर्ड टू की पावर 10 GB. Storage of 1 KB means the following number of bytes. तो 1024 बाइट थर्ड वन, एग्जैक्ट 1024 ही होता है, बट इन टर्म्स ऑफ टॉकिंग बोल सकते हैं कि 1 के, जिसको हम शॉर्ट में बोल सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, 1 मेगाबाइट इक्वल्स टू, इसमें तीनों ही नहीं होते हैं, तो जे का जो आएगा फोर्थ आएगा नन, बिकॉज 1 मेगाबाइट इक्वल्स टू 1024 किलोबाइट. फिर which input device is used to provide audio data to a computer? ऑडियो जो आता है माइक्रोफोन से ही आता है. माइक्रोफोन. When power is switched off and data is not saved, lost over, such type of measure classified as volatile. ये volatile memory होती है, and RAM is the example of volatile memory. Which output device is used for producing highly accurate, very large drawings and posters? तो इसमें तो जो आउटपुट डिवाइस है बेसिकली प्रिंटर होता है, लेकिन डॉट मैट्रिक्स में डॉट से आता है, इंकजेट में इंक से, लेजर में जो आउटपुट एक्यूरेट आता है. लेकिन यहाँ है ड्राइंग और पोस्टर की बात, तो प्लॉटर इज द एक्चुअल थिंग विच प्रोसेस द डेटा. फिर है विच ऑप्टिकल मीडिया यूजेस ब्लू लेजर टेक्नोलॉजी टू रीड राइट डेटा ऑन द मीडिया सरफेस. इसमें ब्लू लेजर टेक्नोलॉजी ब्लू रे डिस्क में होती है, इनका जो है वो 4th पॉइंट आएगा। 4th पॉइंट ब्लू रे डिस्क इज द एग्जांपल। अब ये कुछ ऐसे डिस्कशन हम कर लेते हैं क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के, जिसमें क्लियर हो जाएगा। लिस्ट द नेम ऑफ द 2 कंपोनेंट। अब ऐसे 3 कंपोनेंट होते हैं उसके सीपीयू के, मेमोरी, कंट्रोल यूनिट, अर्थमेटिक लॉजिकल यूनिट। यहाँ पे 2 दे रखी है, मेमोरी एंड अर्थमेटिक एंड लॉजिकल यूनिट। फिर व्हाट इज एन आईपीयू, इनपुट प्रोसेस आउटपुट साइकिल क्या होती है? तो इनपुट प्रोसेस साइकिल मतलब इनपुट डेटा लेता है, जनरेट करता है और आउटपुट देता है। तो डेटा को इंफॉर्मेशन में कन्वर्ट करने का काम इनपुट प्रोसेस आउटपुट साइकिल करती है। फिर लिस्ट द फंक्शनल कंपोनेंट ऑफ ए कंप्यूटर। फंक्शनल मतलब इनपुट डिवाइस, आउटपुट डिवाइस, प्रोसेसिंग डिवाइस। प्रोसेसिंग डिवाइस मतलब सीपीयू है ना, और मेमोरी यूनिट। दीज आर द थिंग्स। वो इन्वेंटेड माउस। माउस एक पॉइंटिंग डिवाइस है जो इनपुट के पर्पज से होती है। डगलस इंगलबर्ट ने 1963 में डेवलप किया। नेम द पार्ट ऑफ द कंप्यूटर विच इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर प्रोसेसिंग। सीपीयू सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट इज द रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर प्रोसेसिंग। और इसमें एक इम्पॉर्टेंट बात यह है सर कि ये ब्रेन ऑफ द कंप्यूटर भी होता है। नेम द प्राइमरी मेमोरी विच इज वोलेटाइल, रैम। और अगर नॉन वोलेटाइल की बात करें तो रोम, रीड ओनली मेमोरी। राइट डाउन द वेरियस कैपेबिलिटीज ऑफ कंप्यूटर। राइट डाउन द वेरियस कैपेबिलिटीज ऑफ कंप्यूटर। कैपेबिलिटीज तो वही जो नॉर्मली कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होते हैं, जैसे स्पीड है, वर्सेटाइल है, डिलीजेंस है, रीडेबिलिटी है। बूटिंग का मतलब होता है स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द कंप्यूटर। नेक्स्ट, डिफरेंस प्राइमरी मेमोरी और सेकेंडरी मेमोरी। स्टोरेज इज वोलेटाइल, सेकेंडरी मेमोरी नॉन वोलेटाइल। प्राइमरी मेमोरी के एग्जांपल रैम एंड रोम है। सेकेंडरी मेमोरी के आपके जो एग्जांपल, हम एग्जांपल पे बात करें, हार्ड डिस्क, फ्लॉपी डिस्क, मैग्नेटिक टेप, दीज आर द एग्जांपल ऑफ सेकेंडरी स्टोरेज डिवाइस। देयर इज अ लिमिट अमाउंट ऑफ रैम, सही बात है। सेकेंडरी स्टोरेज कैन एक्सेस फास्टर, सीपीयू इज वर्चुअली इनफाइनाइट। सेकेंडरी स्टोरेज इज लार्जर देन storage larger than primary memory. It takes a few seconds for the CPU to process RAM. RAM को प्रोसेस करने के लिए फास्ट होता है। CPU takes little longer to access storage, secondary memory. RAM is costlier than secondary storage device, obviously. Actually, RAM is not costly. Next, what are the 2 parts of main memory, RAM and ROM? Secondary storage. Primary memory is finite and limited in size. Secondary storage data and program do not appear when power is turned off. तो डिसअपियर नहीं होते अगर आपका पावर ऑफ। Secondary storage device required. Primary memory तो हो गया. ALU, arithmetic and logical unit, random access memory, graphical user interface, और competitive read-only memory. Basic component of computer: ALU, control unit, memory, input and output unit. Define preprocessor. Microprocessor is the other name of CPU. CPU का alternate naming है microprocessor. It is a large-scale integrated circuit which contains thousands of transistors. Microprocessor allow computer to think faster. Processing device है fast, process the fast. Now, two devices used by supermarket point of sale terminal are barcode reader and keyboard. Name two other input-output device used as POS, post of sale, and give a switch. Monitor and printer used for taking printout of bill or invoice, and monitor used to display the information about item purchased or sale. Why are language processor used? List their types. Program written in high-level language are required to be converted in machine language. Now, compiler, assembler, interpreter is the example. This is an example. They explain briefly function of operating system. So, main function of operating system, we can storage management, memory management, processor management, information management, device management, file management. So these are the things which can maintain it. A number of things we can maintain it. Now, what type of operation are provided by an operating system? Operating system perform a number of operations, perform it, provide an interface to allow user to communicate with computer. Computer के through हम communicate proper कर सकते हैं. Control the various system, hardware and software resources, keyboard, visual display unit, using special program. Manage the user's file, keeping track of their position on the disk, updating them after fast make changes to them. Provide system facilities, controllers to translate from high-level programming language used by the used to internal machine language. So these are the things we have maintained it. So a number of things are provided. Now I have explained very basic things and revising it in a proper manner. So just think it and perform it, and if you have any query you can ask. I'll solve it. Thank you.